Good day. You with Travis. Today is Tuesday, Election Day, November, I guess it's 4th. Yeah, I should know that by now. Interesting day. The market has really taken off, and there's always been knee-jerk reactions with exit polls and things, and we haven't even seen exit polls come out yet. I think the first closing is going to be 4 o'clock Pacific time or 7 o'clock Eastern time. But I think just anticipation of this day being over so we can move forward regardless of what decision's been made. It looks like an Obama victory from all the pollsters and analysts, but who knows? We never know until the end. But either way, the market is really responding positively this morning. The Dow is up almost nearly 300, and mortgage-backed securities are almost touched 100 points up as well. I mean, that's a full 1% difference from yesterday. Meaning, again, $300,000 loan, that's a $3,000 savings today in cost if you were to get the same rate from yesterday. So I hope that trend continues. I hope the exit polls don't start coming in, and actually the market will be closed today, but tomorrow may be an interesting day. Typically, though, when they've studied this in the past, after election days, both mortgage rates and how the stock market performs, typically shows that the market will correct itself regardless of what emotion is involved the week or two after an election because of disappointment or excitement. But today, though, again, nothing can go wrong in the market. People are buying stocks, they're buying bonds, they're buying treasuries, they're buying all kinds of things, and there's just a lot of money being flooded into the market today. A few global reasons. Australia announced their Fed rate cut last night of 0.75%. The European Union, or EU, should also make that same decision this week, also about, it sounds like a 0.75% cut. So what that means is, and why I think our market is responding well today after Australia's cut last night, is when other countries cut their discount rate or their lending rate between banks, it makes their investment have less of a return or less of a yield. So let's say our prime rate is at 4% now here in the United States, and in Australia, let's say their prime rate, their pseudo prime rate is 3.5%. Well, if you get a 4% return versus a 3.5% return overseas, then certainly people are going to pull their money out of the Australian market, or in this case, the European market later this week, and put it into our treasuries because there's a bigger yield. And so with that being said, a few other things can happen. Oil prices actually are on a little bit of a surge today, but with the decline they've been in, there's going to have some days they're going to get some gains. But as long as our dollar keeps improving against these foreign markets, and as long as other countries keep cutting their discount rate or their Fed funds rate, their comparison, then we're going to continue to see our dollar climb in value. Again, we might see $50 barrel of oil prices by the end of the year. So between this election being passed, the oil prices, the value of the dollar going up, there's a little bit of rally here, building some confidence. I think we're going to start looking at some positive signals. We're still going to see some bad quarterly reports come out in the fourth quarter, but overall, this will be a good day to get past this and move on to positive thinking and application. So mortgage rates are great today. Like I said, stocks are great, and no other real economic reports coming out today. We're just going to kind of go as the stocks go. So have an awesome day, and enjoy your election day, and go vote. Be blessed.